Welcome to Dawn of Cooking. In this video, I am going green. And by that, it means I'm having a matcha green latte in the morning, followed by one of my favorite smoothie bowls. It's a green smoothie bowl. And for lunch, I'm having an avocado chickpea sandwich, super healthy and really good for you. And for dinner, one of my favorite soups, an asparagus green pea. So come along with me and let's get started. Starting off, to make the green tea latte, first you're going to need some green matcha powder. I get mine at my local food co-op or at the health food store. If you want, you can sweeten it with honey. I like using vanilla powder or sugar in the raw, my frother, and some cinnamon. For my latte today, I'm using the Matcha to go, and it comes in little individual packets, which make it really nice. So you go ahead and you add like a third a cup of really hot water. And today I am using sugar in the raw, and I'm going to use my frother and just whip it up. You got to whip it up really good, either by hand or with the frother. And also today I am using coconut almond milk, and I'm using my frother to just really whip it up good. Now I'm going to go ahead and just pour it on in. I used like a cup of the milk. I love topping mine with cinnamon and vanilla bean powder. This makes such a great drink. You can have it in the morning or afternoon. Now onto one of my favorite breakfasts, the green smoothie bowl. It is so great. Now go ahead and I'm also going to be putting the recipe in the description box below the video. So go ahead and add in a few great big handfuls of spinach, and then you're going to add a half a banana and a cup of mango. This is all frozen, by the way. And a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. And a half a cup of your favorite milk. I really like using fresh mint leaves. That really gives it a nice taste. And now go ahead and just put on in some ice cubes. You're going to use a high-speed mixer and go ahead and whip it on up. Pour it into your bowl, and now you can add the toppings. First off, I'm adding some hemp seeds. Next, some pomegranate seeds. And some cacao nibs. Some coconut flakes. Chia Seeds. You're going to love this breakfast, so hopefully you can make it soon. For lunch, I'm having an avocado chickpea sandwich. I put mine on Dave's Killer Bread, so this sandwich is really full of fiber. Start off with a half a cup of chickpeas that you've drained and rinsed. Go ahead and give it a mash, and I used a third of an avocado. Throw in some celery, it's about 1/8 of a cup. And toss in a little bit of lemon pepper. Squeeze in a little lemon juice. And stir it up. It is really good, and you're going to like this sandwich also. Let's continue with this day of green and make some asparagus green pea soup. I used a bag of frozen, but if you have fresh, that makes it that much better. And 3/4 cup of onion, 1 cup of parsley, 4 cups of green peas, and a carton of vegetable broth. Start off by putting your onion in some olive oil and sauteing. Stir it a little bit and let it cook. Now go ahead and dump in your carton of vegetable broth. In go the peas. Let this all cook and go ahead and throw in a teaspoon of salt, and if your broth is already salted, I would use a little less. In goes the bag of asparagus, and go ahead and cut that into thirds. Little pepper doesn't hurt. I love my Cuisinart hand blender. This works really great on soups that you want to puree. I take out like half the vegetables so it can still be a little chunky in the end. Go ahead and throw the other half in once you get it blended. That adds some nice consistency to your soup. Let it cook just a little bit, and go ahead and throw in your 1 cup of packed parsley. Stir it and it is ready to serve. This soup is really good with some croutons and cheese, whatever little toppings that you have, and biscuits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.